In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Praise be to Allah, and peace and blessings be upon the Messenger of Allah, our Master Muhammad, and upon his family and companions. After discussing power system protection in general in the first episode and talking about voltage transformers in the second episode, we begin a new episode with a new challenge and practical information that will benefit you in the job market about current transformers. I discussed IEC 61852. This technology converts voltage and current into digital samples via fiber optics. These transformers lack a core, avoiding saturation and electromagnetic reliance, and are smaller than traditional CTs and VTs. Optical fiber connects the CT, VT, and these transformers lack a core, more compact than traditional ones. Optical fiber links CT, VT, and relays. Previously, analog current and voltage were relayed and converted to digital. Now CTs and VTs directly convert to digital for transmission. The Rajeski CT exemplifies using a transducer for digital conversion and transmission. This is part of the electricity system from generation to consumption. These values are now converted from analog to digital through the CT and VT, transmitting these digital instead of analog values. This is part of a system involving electricity generation, transmission, distribution, and consumption. Digital values and electronic circuits are key aspects in this field.
Digital involves electricity, processes, transformations, are converted through circuits. The electronic circuits that are achieved, transformed, and recorded are important aspects in this field. The higher transformations and the transformations recorded through the transformation circuits are converted through the transformation circuits. The transformation circuits are converted through the transformation circuits. Transformational regions are transformed by transformational regions. The transformation circuits are converted through the transformation circuits. Now, electronic energy management is advancing with the management of powertrains and information systems. For this reason, the circuits are increasingly using smart devices that communicate using digital protocols. They are increasingly using smart devices that communicate using digital protocols. User designs, user designs, user designs, user designs, user designs. City, city, and city. There is a city. This helps the city of the world because the city will have different digital values in each device. The transformer transmits data digitally. Equipment includes columns, a different topic from the advanced developments in the field. The three communication devices are at three different levels. They are operated through electronic cables with electronic control devices that are used in the cables in the control rooms at home. The three communication devices are at three different levels. They are operated through electronic cables with electronic control devices that are used in the cables in the control rooms at home. They use electronic cables with electronic control devices and operational devices. They are operated through electronic cables with electronic control devices and operational devices. The registration of existing projects aligns directly with any other method that supports the existing projects. The impact of the NCIT is confirmed with very useful opposition. By the way, at every international level, they also have data materials for all the devices that operate in a digital manner. The NCIT is also quiet and open, making it easy to use for infrastructure from any station, working with existing devices without the need for extensive modifications. Investigations are conducted with existing users without the need for extensive modifications. These things make the transition from single steps to a digital station possible. This means that in the context of change, a digital station can operate as usual, since a digital station deals with a single level of implementation. The standards of data transmission are integrated, In addition, using the Rovatec and Maxwell NCIT means that many copper motors for analog industries can be replaced with electronic systems for digital industries. Almost, they should be passing through the view and traveling from the perspectives. Rovatec and Maxwell creatures are the preferred choice for explosive creatures. Inspire. Certified. Passed. Compliance. Tests.
As for the connections of the three-phase CTs with each other, in the past, the CTs were connected either in delta connection or star connection. However, nowadays, all CT connections are in star connection. In the past, delta connection was used for the three-phase CT on the star side of the power transformer, while star connection was used for the three-phase CT on the delta side of the power transformer. This is aimed at adjusting the values entering the transformer differential relay. Nowadays, regardless of the vector group of the power transformer, the CT connection is in the form of star, and adjustments are made within the relay. We should also remember that the star point in the star connection should be directed toward the protected element, towards the part that needs protection. Great Renaissance of the nation.